Hi there, this is Ankit back again with another video. So first of all, welcome all of you in my channel KN Technology. So without wasting our time, let us start our today's video. So first of all, let me show you the work that I have done so far in last videos. So I am opening my tutorial folder that contains our working project. So in last tutorial we have discussed till this section. Okay, as you can see on the screen, but due to discharging of my laptop I couldn't able to complete. Okay, so we will continue this section and move to the next section onwards. So coming to the Sublime Text Editor, okay, now come to the last lines of code. Okay, as you can see on the screen, in our sample our second image is not visible. Okay, so first we need to make it visible. So for this we need some changes in our code, source code. What is the second image? Bus2.png. Okay, first let me check what is the name of that image, because that must be the errors in the name of image. Okay, let me first find the simple project. Okay, this is the image that I need to search for. Okay, this image bus2.png. So there is no dash here. Okay, now it is visible and looks better than previous. Okay, in our sample project there is a border around every element, as you can see on the screen. So we need to provide border also. Actually I have already provided the source bootstrap code for the border, but the name of class was not correct at that time. Okay, as you can see now it is better. Yes, one more thing, there is a space between the borders of two different elements, as you can see on the screen. So we need to provide some margins here. Copy this line of code, bus hire top 3. Okay, let me first open my CSS file of bus hire page in Sublime Text Editor. Come to Rust and provide the CSS property to that class bus hire top 3. We need to provide some margin here. Okay, that's look better. Now copy this line of code, which is a bootstrap class for margin, and paste it inside all the div containing the P2 class. So now that's look better, and as same as our project sample. Okay, yes, just one difference is that in this the alignment of the image is center, or you can say the the image is at center of its position. So we need to make it center. For this, I think we need to provide the class for the image emitter. The name is already, sorry, that attribute or the properties for that same class that we are working on as given properly, but why don't the image are coming at center? I don't know actually. Okay, let me find first. Okay, I am providing the content justify content center as a bootstrap class. Okay. They are not coming at center. Sorry, they are not coming at center. There must be some error. Is there any class other than the class that we have provided? Bus hat of CP2M2. No, the classes are available here. Okay, I will do it later. first let me complete the next section because time is already running and we have to complete next section also in this video. We will solve this problem later. Okay. Okay, follow me on line number 121. Div tag with the class attribute having the value Jumbotron. Inside this div tag there will be another div tag with the class attribute having the value container bus higher top 4, container bus higher top 4, and P2. Inside this div tag there will be an S3 tag as a first tag and content will be easier with bus higher, easier with bus higher, and the next tag will be UL with the class as attribute having the value nav tabs, nav tabs, justify content center, justify content center. Inside this UL tag we will have an li tag with the class attribute having the value nav item, and another class is P2. Inside li tag we will have an anchor tag with the attribute href, and the value of href will be easy payment. Okay, and the class will be nav link rounded top rounded bottom, nav link rounded top rounded bottom, and BG danger test light, BG danger test light, and the content of anchor tag will be, there will be another tag of another attribute of anchor tag, that is data toggle, and the value will be tab. Okay, inside this anchor tag the content will be easy payment. Okay, the same way there will be another li tag, okay, with the same class attribute and value as existing tag li tag. So we are copying it and pasting it 3 times, sorry 2 times, because 1 times of li tag is already there, and then second li tag anchor tag attribute href having the value easy booking, and the content will be also easy booking. And the third will be fair transparency. Okay, and the content will be same as well as the value of the href tag, href attribute, trans t rns, sorry, parency, prncy. Okay, this is it for this li tag. Now close the ul tag and eval tag, and after the closing of eval tag there will be an div opening of div tag with the class attribute having the value tab content. Inside this div tag we will have another div tag with the class attribute having the value tab pan as a bootstrap class for tab, container p2. Okay, and another attribute as id having the value easy payment. Okay, inside this div tag we will have p tag as a first tag, and the content will be pay advance starting from just 25% to book the vehicle. Pay advance and pay in advance starting from just 25% to book the vehicle. Okay, sorry. Okay, now moving to next p tag, the content will be pay the balance by credit card. Pay the balance by credit. Sorry, I am in rush, so in fast typing there is an error. Pay the balance by credit card / debit card / UPI / net banking. Okay, to driver. Close p tag and again close a div tag that we have opened in 142 line. Okay, and again copy this div tag for 3 times, and since one time div tag is already there, so we are copying just for 2 times to make the div coming as available as in 3 times. Okay, and the ID will be easy booking and the third ID will be fair transparency. As you can see on line number 136 we have provided a what we call hashtag followed by a name of ID, and that ID we have used in this div tag available on the line number 150. Now save it. Okay, let me check first. Okay, we will change the content also. First let me show you the output of this div section that we have created by coding 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, save it, come to background. Yes, these are coming properly and that's looking better, but sorry, just a difference is that we need to change the content. Okay, in easy booking, hassle-free booking process. Hassle-free booking process and 24/7 well trained customer support. "24/7 well trained customer support." And the content for third div tag will be get GST and performa invoices. Get GST and performa invoices. We need to change the content to show the actual meaning of tab content. Okay. And GST and perform no hidden charges. No hidden charges. Now save it and see the changes first. Easy payment, easy booking. As you can see, on clicking on different nav icons, we can change our context. Okay, so this is the tabs, bootstrap tab. Okay, as you can see, I'm clicking on the different as you can see on the clicking on different tab, we can change the content according to our tab heading. Okay, and there you are ready. 22 minutes. We have only 1 to 2 minutes to complete this video. So I am trying to do as fast as possible. Okay, coming to the CSS part, copy this class, come to CSS file, provide this class name and provide the text in center property. Okay, no changes at all. Okay, not a problem. Actually it should work, and why it is not working? Bushat.html, bushat.css, but why my test align attribute is not working? It is also the same case for my last type section. As you can see, my image is not coming to the center due to that inappropriate working of CSS properties. Okay, let me check. What is the problem? Why my CSS property is not working, man? Okay, let me check color blue. Let me check for testing purpose. Not working. Means problem in It is inside my CSS file, as you can see, but still even after that my CSS file is not working, and I am also not know. I also don't know why it is not working, because all the orientations and implementation are correct. Okay, I'm deleting my CSS file from here and recreating it. It is important to know why my CSS file is not working, because it will create problem in our next dive section onwards. So I must know the problem behind that. Okay, let me give some time. I will solve this in next video, because time is already up to the mark. So I need to stop my video here. We will solve in next video, and I will also tell you the reason, okay, of this trouble. So thank you. See you in next video.